The custom Rutan Long Easy Fuselage Trike is a rare example of how aerospace engineering, hot rod culture, and individual creativity can merge into a single road-legal machine. Its story begins not on the road, but in the air, with the Rutan Long EZ, an experimental home-built aircraft designed in the 1970s by legendary aerospace engineer Burt Rutan. The Long EZ featured swept wings, a canard layout, wingtip rudders, and a pusher configuration. It became famous for its efficiency and endurance, setting a still unbroken distance record of 4,800 miles in 1979 for aircraft under 1,000 kilograms. Decades later, one damaged Long EZ aircraft found an unexpected second life. After being written off in a transport accident in Wildwood, Georgia, its fiberglass fuselage sat for years in a wrecker's yard. The eventual owner, an airbrush studio operator, initially planned to use the wreck as a static business sign. That idea changed once he sat inside the fuselage and realized its potential as something far more ambitious, a street-driven vehicle. The transformation required extensive custom fabrication. Everything beyond the aircraft fuselage was built from scratch, including the chassis, suspension, exhaust, and steering system. The result is a three-wheeled airplane trike measuring 15 feet in length, with tandem seating beneath a bubble-style cockpit canopy. Steering is handled via a hub center system controlling the exposed front wheel, reinforcing its unconventional appearance. Power comes from a heavily modified air-cooled Volkswagen flat-4 engine, enlarged to 1,915 cubic centimeters and paired with a Volkswagen transaxle. Thanks to the vehicle's low weight, performance is described as surprisingly quick. Despite its radical design, the trike is fully street legal in the United States and registered as a 1971 custom Volkswagen. Today, the custom Rutan Long EZ Fuselage Trike is best known as a show vehicle rather than daily transportation. It regularly attracts crowds at car shows, wins awards, and sparks conversations wherever it appears. More than a novelty, it stands as a rolling tribute to experimental aviation, mechanical ingenuity, and the idea that even discarded machines can be reborn into something extraordinary.